Hi guys, happy fall. I cannot believe that it is officially fall. It definitely is starting to feel like it. We're seeing all the pictures of the pumpkin patches and the lattes and all the fun fall stuff, sweaters and boots, and oh my God, it's just like, it's the best, right? I mean, don't get me wrong. I love summer, love summer, but fall is just, there's just something so special about it. Oh, thank you. So I have a live try on for you guys. Lots of goodies in store. Do you want to take these out? One of my newest favorite pieces, actually, I can't say that. I have a lot of favorite pieces. One of the ones that is definitely one of my favorites in the store right now, snagged it for myself, couldn't help it, is by 650. It is the Bailey. It comes with matching pants that I will try on for you just so you guys can see. And while I have my assistant here with me, I wanted to show you some of the newest necklaces that we got.
Me.
It's Peyton. Some of the newest necklaces that we got.
Almost always in the video, so almost every video you might see me.
And I mean, how cute is this face? So it doesn't hurt, right?
Huh.
Right?
Did
Yeah.
you take these necklaces?
Maybe just take one out. So what I wanted to show you guys is one of our newest pieces in the store that just arrived today. It is our horoscope necklace. We have all 12 horoscopes. I am an Aquarius, so I am wearing the Aquarius. It's a 16-inch necklace. The coolest part about this,
like this.
this is another one. So the coolest part about these necklaces is that they are actually, the pendants are vintage from the 70s. They were found in an old warehouse and the artist put them on a necklace, and I just think it is so cool that it is something old turned new and just so perfect to layer. Like, I have 3 different necklaces that 2 of them I wear all the time. It's my name necklace, and then this necklace was actually one of my mom's diamonds from her ring, from one of her rings. So I took it and I turned it into a necklace that I have not taken it off since I got it. So it's just one of those cool pieces that you can layer with all your other jewelry, and it's dainty enough but still makes enough of a statement. So you actually don't have to take all of them. You're not taking them all out, are you? Oh, okay, that's fine. I just wanted, perfect. So we have all 12 horoscopes. They will be on the website soon. We just have to get some good pictures. And I will make sure to post as soon as they do arrive on the website, so you can grab one. They make great gifts. That's one of the coolest part about like all the horoscope stuff, is they make such good gifts. So I am wearing our newest Pistola jeans. Love these. How cool is this little welt pocket? And it's just so sleek. It doesn't add any bulk. They are super stretchy. They're a high rise, really comfortable. And then I will show you the Bailey pant and what it looks like together with the pullover. It is so comfortable. We're actually going to the drive-in movie tomorrow. Aren't you so excited for that? They're playing Sonic. I think it's so cool. So
it's actually at my school.
It's not at the school, but it's for the school.
It's for the school, but it's not at the school.
Right.
So it's gonna be good.
It will be good. Sonic is one of his favorite movies. So
it's warm.
This is the Bailey pants. Let's see, let me even this out for you guys. How insanely cute is this set? It is really soft, really comfortable, lightweight. It is just unbelievable. So really soft and comfy. The banded bottom on the leg is perfect. Just throw it on with a pair of white sneakers and you're done. How cute is this, right? So this is the Bailey set. It is on the website. All of the items that I am gonna show you are on the website, so you can go and see them on, see what they look like on. Yes. Last thing.
And Willow might be in the video today.
Maybe.
I will actually bring her right now.
I don't think she wants to be brought into the video. She's just laying down. We have a couple new skirts for you guys. So the first skirt that I have for you is a corduroy skirt. This is the Leo. Really easy. Peyton, I don't think she wants to. Really easy. Throw it on with a sweater. I have the perfect sweater also to show you guys. And this skirt is just gorgeous on. I had it on the story today. I did a try on with it and it is so, so cute. This is the BB. And the cool part is it has the zipper that is actually a functioning zipper on the side. So the zipper is right on the side right here. Throw it on with a really cute, simple black shirt or a black sweater even, and you're done. I mean, it is just so, so cute. So we have a couple really great tops right now that are great to wear with skirts, with jeans. Please stop. Thank you. Skirts, jeans, under overalls. So many great options for all these tops. So a couple bodysuits too for you guys. So the first one I have for you that is super cute, we got it in black now. We had it in a different color before. This is the Juliana, and the Juliana is a really cute cinch side, one shoulder, and it is a long sleeve. The next one, these are just too hard to try on, so I'll just show them to you guys, and you guys can go online and see what they look like on. This is the Heather. The Heather is a ribbed material. It's nice and thick, has a cute little peekaboo right here on the chest. So easy. It's a great length too, and it has a little scoop at the bottom. Somebody is getting himself into trouble. Please. This is the Dylan one shoulder top. Also another cute little peekaboo detail. Long sleeve, one shoulder. As you can see, that's definitely a trend that we're seeing. The next one is a crossover. This is the Marla, and the Marla is an off the shoulder, so it crisscrosses in the front. Actually, yep, crisscrosses in the front. It is a ribbed sweater material. So cute with those skirts and jeans. The next one, this one's really cute. I actually had this on a story today with the Pistola jeans. It looked so, so cute together. I love the squared off neckline. This is the Leslie tie-dye bodysuit. Again, with that ribbed material, we're seeing a ton of ribbing. It's a really, really popular and really comfortable, easy to wear material. The next one is the Bethany, and it has a cinched front with this great tie detail. We're seeing a ton of cinched fronts also. One of my favorite sweaters right now is the Valerie, and it also has a cinched front. You can cinch it higher, lower. It's just so cute, especially with a pair of jeans. I mean, you're gonna get a ton of wear out of it. So if you wanna see it, it's the Valerie. The Bethany comes in two different colors. There's like a light lilac-y gray and then a mauve pink. And then this one just came back in stock. It sold out within days the first time. This is the Mona floral bodysuit. So as you can see, all the really pretty floral detail in there. Bodysuit, has the snap bottom, super easy, adjustable also, really, really cute. One of our favorite brands, Pistola, also makes this sweater, which is so fun. This is the Eva. So the Eva has this great neutral stripe. It's black and cream. It's so pretty. Has really great distressing detail too. So I want to make sure to try some stuff on for you guys. Whoop. So this is the Eva. It is slightly oversized. It's kind of that perfect boxy fit. This feels so good on too. So really cute distressing along the neckline, along the sleeves too. Little bit shorter, tad shorter in the front, tad longer in the back. Perfect, right? I mean, this is just like when you think of the perfect fall sweater, I mean, this is it. This is awesome. And it's not too heavy either, so you're not gonna like sweat when it is, 70 degrees in the afternoon, because I mean, we have like all 4 seasons in one day in Cleveland in the fall, right? It's what we love about it, I guess. The next one is the Clara. The Clara is an open back. Just wait until you see this open back detail. It is so cool. The Clara is an open back hoodie. Love these colors. the purple, the orange, the blue. I mean, it's like you just can't get enough of all these cool colors. And look at that back. You can cinch it a little bit tighter if you want, or you can let it loose. So fun. And these colors just give you like a really fun, kind of like freeing feeling. It looks great with a jean, looks great with a short right now. I'm sure, as you guys know, one of my favorite things to do is wear a pair of shorts with a sweater. That's like one of my favorite things to do ever since I was a little kid. It's like shorts with a sweater or shorts with a hoodie. I don't know what it is, but I love it. Speaking of hoodies, this one is super cute. This is the Lana, and the Lana is a zip-up hoodie. Really light tie-dye. It's just very subtle and has just the most subtle, distressing details. I mean, just perfect. So you get a little bit of that distressing in there, not too much, not too little. There's some in the hood also. Super pretty colors, just easy to wear all year round. So that is the Lana, throw it on and go. And then if you get hot, you just take it off. I mean, that's the best part about a zip up, right? Okay, let's just talk about how amazing this jacket is. So this is the Anita. The Anita Moto jacket has a Sherpa sleeve, and this is a really big trend right now. So Sherpa is still in. We're still seeing Sherpas. We're still getting Sherpas. Not too many. Last year we had, I mean, we were basically like, I felt like a Sherpa store. But we're still getting some great Sherpas this year. So this is the Anita Moto jacket. Oh, this feels so good on. Oh my God. I mean, this is one that I would love to get for myself. This is just unbelievable. Look at those awesome details too. So cute. So moto style, great pockets, just looks so good. I mean, how perfect is this outfit? This is all you need. Great jeans and a great jacket and just a perfect basic. It's literally all you need. So that is the Anita. I have 2 more sets for you guys that both just arrived within the last like day or two. So this set is the Margaret. The Margaret has a cutout shoulder, and I'll throw this on for you so you can see what it looks like. I kind of miss doing this outside. It was so nice in the summer being able to do live videos outside, but this is great too. I can't complain. Okay, so this is the Margaret. That's the top, has this cute little cutout shoulder, and then the bottoms are really cute too. I love these colors, this neutral. It's like a cream and a blue and mauve, or I don't even know, wine color. Has cute pockets too. So easy. Absolutely love this. I don't know what it is about a set. I mean, it's probably the fact that it's like an instant outfit. It's kind of like a romper or a jumpsuit. The outfit is like made for you. You don't even have to like think twice about it. Okay, so that is the Margaret. The next one I have for you is leopard. And as we all know, leopard is a neutral. You can wear leopard with literally anything. This is the Polly. I had this one on the story also. So I had the Bailey, the Polly, and also the Margaret on the story today. And I did a try on with it so you guys could see what it looked like. So if you don't catch the video, you can still see what all the sets look like on. Okay, and then this is the Polly. And it has pockets also, which is always a bonus. I love this leopard. It's like a brownish, kind of a taupey leopard, really pretty on. And it's a really soft, really lightweight material. So that's always nice. This is like a workout. So let's see, what else do I have for you? I have one more set for you guys. And it is another leopard one. So this is the Leona. The Leona comes with a pair of matching pants too. It is a navy leopard. So cute, right? Banded bottoms. Really, really soft. It is fully lined with fleece on the inside, so you're definitely gonna stay warm. The next one I have for you, this is so cute too. I love this tie-dye. This is the Nico. This is the Nico tie-dye in a really pretty soft, kind of like a taupey mauve color, really subtle. Has the distressed bottom, but it's actually finished, so it's not gonna totally like tatter on you. Oh, this hoodie too is so cute. I have to try this one on for you guys. This is the Robbie zip-up hoodie, and as you can see, it has really cute details there that are embroidered. Really cute embroidered little lightning bolts. So fun. I'll try that one on for you guys. Yeah. Thanks. Do you want to start hanging that stuff? Yeah, that would be awesome. Here. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I love it. That's beautiful. So this is the Robbie. Has a cute little hood on it. Great little zipper. Just throw it on. You're done. The next one I have for you, this is the Brianna Star Top, and this one also has the embroidered stars on it, and it is a crisscross pullover. So this one too, you can dress up a little more. Looks really cute with the jean, and you could totally wear this out to a dinner too. And I'm sure you guys, I don't know about you, but we're totally trying to take advantage of like every single night we have left of a patio.
Is this supposed to be one cut it off?
Yep,
one?
it's supposed to be cut out.
That's weird. No, and one long.
Yeah.
That's weird.
So this is the Brianna. I just love the crisscross detail on it. How cute is that with the stars? I mean, it's just so fun. And we have a matching pant coming. It might all start falling. It might fall off of there. One of our faves by 650. This is the Carly. Just got this back in stock. It is a crisscross. So cute. We have it in 2 other colors too at the store and on the website. And then we have the Betsy tie-dye. Really, really soft, wide sleeve, gathers at the bottom. Great detail on the front too. Super cute, it's really stretchy, really cute. And then last but not least, we have a workout set. Love this. Check out that awesome leopard detail. It is so comfortable. So like I was saying, I have a ton of different leggings. These are some of my favorite leggings that I own. They are so soft, they are so comfortable, they still hold you in, and they are just perfect to work out in and perfect to run around in. And then we also have a matching sports bra too. So
those are actually one of your favorites.
So, all right, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Check out the website. We have a lot of fun events coming up in October, so make sure you are staying up to date, watching the stories, get on the email list, and we will talk to you soon. Have a great night. Bye.